Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today we are going to learn about TEF. And the best way for you to understand this is through a demonstration. KFC Zinger Burgers are one of my favorite fast food, and I'm going to eat this right now and then explain what Thermic Effect of Food means. Now you just saw me devour that Zinger burger and chicken leg so damn fast, and I did that only to show you how easy it is to consume calories. I just did the math and I'm on my current weight loss calories of 23 calories a day, and if I were to consume 5 Zinger burgers every day for 7 days in a row, I would absolutely lose 1 pound of weight or 450 grams of weight. Now this is simple thermodynamics and simple calories in versus calories out, and if you want to learn more about calories, I created a video. Click on this card right here and learn how calories work. If you've reached this part of the video, I would really appreciate it if you type in the comments down below what is your favorite fast food and if you could eat it every day. Coming back to TEF. TEF is basically the amount of calories your body burns to process the food you consume, be it solid or liquid, doesn't matter. Now, TEF is a component of total daily energy expenditure, that is TDEE. And if you want to learn about TDEE, I made a video. Click on this card right here and find out what TDEE is. If you subscribe to this channel, you can expect weekly nutrition videos, concepts about nutrition, weight loss, tips and tricks about weight loss, and how you can sustain that weight loss. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Just because Thermic Effect of Food is 10% of your TDEE doesn't mean that every macronutrient has the same TEF. Now, fats are about 3%, carbohydrates are about 10% TEF, and protein has the highest TEF, about 20%. Now, this is why a lot of people say that, oh, eat a lot of protein, you can burn more calories. That is true. However, if calorie burn is your main objective, consuming that much of protein isn't that effective. Let me give you an example. Now, let's take a standard American diet, which is a 2000 calorie diet consisting of about 25% protein, 45% carbs, and 30% fats. So I did the math right here. So that comes up to about 208 calories of TEF. Now, if you were double the amount of protein, so let's say 50% protein, 25% fat, and 25% carbohydrate. I do the math again here. That comes up to 265 calories of TEF, which is only 57 calories more, which is not that much. So I would argue that it's not great to sacrifice a lot of carbs just to have 57 calories more burned by adding so much protein.
Enjoy your carb.
If you reached this part of the video, I would appreciate it if you hit like, smash subscribe, and share it with your friends or family, whoever wants to learn about TEF. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.